I received a package containing 3 gun bullets with the message, "We are watching you."
My name is Tatelicious I. I'm 25 years old and I am from Zimbabwe. Growing up, I felt disconnected to the gender I was given.
At first I thought I was gay,
But gay men still want to be men. I didn't.
That's when I learned about being transgender.
I figured out that there could be more people like me, so I decided to share my story to help and inspire them. The government put me in prison for telling my story publicly. And when I came out, my house had been burnt down and they had beaten my mother so hard she could barely walk. I knew I had to flee, and I ended up in Sweden. My journey has not been easy. I was raped by my uncle when I was 12 years old, and that's also when I got HIV.
But even though I have been through these terrible things,
I try not to shed tears because I'm not a victim. I want to work for the United Nations so that I can help people understand the importance of finding out about their HIV status.
I'm just waiting for that day I will be reunited with my daughter.
She is the joy of my heart, and I know she would love the snow. She is the reason why I keep on fighting and being a survivor.